graphic design,
pitch presentation review,
server setup,
human resources,
business development strategy,
product planning,
proofreading, data analysis,
template design,
lab setup,
business plan assistance,
mobile development,
financial planning, public relations assistance,
web development,
manufacturing strategy,
branding,
equipment training,
editing,
market assessment,
video production,
event planning, online ads.
So you didn't catch much of that. We'll talk more in detail about it right now.
all right. So, like Laura just touched on a lot of these points, the shared services program is here to help you guys with short-term project needs, stuff that you might not otherwise be able to complete. And we spend about 50% of our time on shared services projects, and the other half of our time on internal enterprise works projects, and we might be interacting with some of you on those projects. And we're going to be actively seeking feedback from you, most likely in the form of a short survey or something like that, to make sure we're giving you the right support.
Now on to what you need. This is a full list of the types of services that interns offer. We really wanted to highlight the first three: video production, mobile development, and social media strategy, since we have 3 new interns and these services have been offered more. This is a full list of the ones that are offered. And now we will meet the interns individually.
Hi. Laura already gave me a short introduction. My name is Maggie. I've been here at Enterprise Works for almost two and a half years, I'd say. And I do graphic and logo design, and we work for company branding. So as mentioned before, everything from logo design to business cards and web development.
Hi, my name is Nini. I am the graphic design intern here as well. I majored in graphic design and I'll be graduating in 2014. Previously, I've worked as a student designer at the University Building Marketing Team, and in which I created posters, flyers, t-shirts, and logos, and anything that will help promote housing events. I've also worked as a layout designer at the Ilio Yearbook, and I collaborated with photographers and journalists as well. Something I can offer to you guys is anything with graphic, logo, and web design, and also a little bit of branding. And I guess the fun fact is I love honey.
Hi everyone, my name is Rebecca, and I'm going to be the graphic design and marketing intern. I'm majoring in graphic design and advertising, and I'll be graduating in 2013. So basically my past experience with, graphic design has been, I worked at as a communications intern for the Asian American Cultural Center, and basically I designed promotional flyers for them and brochures and basically any sorts of promotional materials, and utilized social media to get the word out about their events and the center itself. I have experience in graphic design, event planning, branding, logo design, and web design. So I basically dabble in a bit of everything involving advertising and graphic design. A fun fact about me is I love painting, drawing, and anything creative. I'm excited to work at the research part because basically as a graphic designer, I get to experience a lot of different people and working with people from different disciplines, so I think it will really help me as a designer also to work with all of you.
Hi, my name is Natalie. I am majoring in communication and majoring in Spanish and pursuing a certificate in public relations and with digital and social media here at Enterprise Works. My past experience with social media management and strategy comes from previous internships I've held where I manage accounts from a Twitter account which has across 30,000 followers. I've done Facebook, Pinterest, Tumblr, LinkedIn, also a little bit of Google Plus right now for Enterprise Works. I've done website content creation and management on the site that internqueen.com, which helps me with my internships. I've done ID blogs, websites, and e-newsletters. I can assist you with anything public relations, web planning, social media strategy, editing, and proofreading. I'm excited to work at Enterprise Works because I'm excited to work on projects that really affect a lot of people. And a fun fact is I do Mexican food, coming in with Martin Gastelum.
Hi, my name is Mohammed. I'm a broadcast journalism major. I walked this past May, but I'll be officially be done this summer. So my sophomore year, I interned for WBGU, which is on the radio station on Green Street, and I was on air there, and I realized I'm terrible on air, so I'll do something more production-wise. So then last summer, I worked in a local radio station in my hometown, which was a country radio station. I can't stand country music, but it was more of an editing process, so I got to do more of what I wanted to do. I like that. And then this past school year, I worked at ESPN Radio in Champaign, which is more learning how to interview people. It's a radio show, but they have a lot of guests on, so how to contact people, how to interview people, set up editing sessions, stuff like that. And then this past winter, I was at Fox Chicago for another sports internship. And it was really cool to see how they produce stuff on TV, edit, everything like that. So I really enjoyed a lot of that stuff. And then if you need any video to showcase your product, company, or brand, I can assist you with that. I can shoot and edit the video. You just tell me kind of an idea, I can run with it, and then maybe add more to it as well. Fun fact about me is why I'm graduating now in the summer rather than the spring is I'm a big sports fan, and there's always a big sporting event around, usually Tuesdays and Wednesdays at like 2 o'clock, and every gen ed I needed to take was around that time. So I put sports above my schoolwork then, so had to graduate now. But no, but now I'm more focused on enterprise sports than my sports. And I'm excited because I've never had this kind of freedom to work on videos, stuff like that. Usually in class it's more structured, and they give you an outline, and you have to work with that. Here, just like with the video, we basically all work on that together, rather than having a professor tell me what to do. So the freedom is what I like to do, and I've never really done anything with science, rather than take maybe an intro biology class one time. So it's all new to me, so I'm excited to start working here.
You do now own a video camera to help with some of this production as well. Before we were always using USF and your other people's equipment.
As well as more sophisticated software.
All right, my name is Daniel, and I'm the mobile application development intern, but I also do some IT on the side. My major is computer science, and I'll graduate in 2015, so I'll be a junior next year. I just finished my sophomore year. I'm most proficient in C++ and Java, so anytime you need any questions, I could maybe help. I don't know. Android development is really my thing. I have looked into iOS, but I own an Android phone, so I'm really more proficient with that, and that's what I can mostly help with. I can also do IT stuff if needed. I have experience with larger companies. Last summer I worked with Aegis Media down in the city with their IT operation in Chicago. So the things that I can mostly do for you guys is I can wireframe up some apps. That's just like standard layout. I mean, basic functionality. I don't know that I have too much time to make an entire app for anybody, but I can also maybe help if you have an app that needs a new feature. I can help maybe add that feature, or maybe just consult if you even need an application for your product. Sometimes people think that they want an application, but really that's not the best route to go. And so I can also...
Can you do just C program? Do you know C as well as C++?
I'm not really into C yet, because C++ was what we did sophomore year, and C is kind of junior year. I know some C, but mostly C++ is what I'm good with. And as far as a fun fact goes, I have a parrot, and he's 25, so I'm 20, so he's 5 years older than me. My parents had his parents, and they had an egg, and then they hatched. So technically he's my older brother, but maybe, I don't know if I feel him that way. This summer I'm kind of excited to work here because I've made some Android apps on my own, but it's really nice to get some ideas to what other people want in their apps, and then use my own ideas to kind of incorporate and make something interesting and unique.
And a plug, tonight starts our new Android class. I guess it's full at this point, so if you missed the boat, I guess, if you wanted to sign up. But We had a class offered here in iOS previously by Mike, and now we're moving on to have Bill Seaman teach the class on Android because there's an interest on learning that language as well for proficiency in those skills. And Daniel's helping as
I'll be
another
there.
added service.
Hi, my name is Kevin, and I also go by Erica, so either one is fine. I'm going to be the web development intern for the summer. I am majoring in computer science, and I'll be graduating next spring. So some of the services I can offer you is that I'll be pretty much building everything from front end and back end for the website. So especially primarily working with PHP. And for your convenience and to manage the website, I'll be primarily working with WordPress and maybe other content systems. And other areas of proficiency as far as the languages are concerned is probably C++. I know a little bit, like probably working knowledge of Java and Python, so I can pretty much help you with that area too. So to summarize, I can help you with general website development, web applications development to some extent, and some help with WordPress and content management system. And also, I also have done some database programming and website as well. And one of the reasons that I really like working at Enterprise Works is that I've been always interested in working with startups and also